In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 6230dn printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. And here at the Google Chrome, you need to proceed at the search bar and type for Canon LBP 6230dn printer driver and then hit the enter key. The moment you have hit it, you will be able to see a bunch of results. Please proceed to this support image class LBP6230dn. Click on this one. And the moment you do it, you would be eventually be redirected to this page where you get to see the printer driver. Please scroll down. And here, under the compatible operating system, it will automatically detect the Windows 11, okay? And it will show you the printer driver. So click on this one. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on yes to start downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded this file, okay? But in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. And once you have completed the download process, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it and you would be able to see the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay, so once you are here, please make a right click and go with this cat icon. And then once done, close all of the windows that being opened. And here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the application or the file, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click here and use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to LBP6230. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until this would be done. Once a new file folder has been created, then good. We need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. So this is the time that we will now start the installation. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so please wait until everything would be set up here before we proceed to the steps. Now once ready, please navigate to the left side of that and there you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one and eventually it will show you the settings under it. Please scroll down and navigate to printers and scanners. Click on this one and eventually you'll get an option where you can see add device. Please click on it and in that way you would be able to see an option where you can manually add a printer driver in a few seconds. So click on this one, it's here and eventually proceed with this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. So this part is very important because this is where we are going to choose our printer port. So click on this down arrow key and you need to choose either of these three. So it could be one, two, or three, no other than that. So click on this one, click on next, go with have disk and click on browse. Okay, and since our extracted file has been placed right there, so click on this one. And here under the list, please scroll down and proceed to the extracted file, LBP6230. Double tap here, and eventually you would be able to see a file folder. Please proceed to this one, UFRII. Double tapped, and then you can see there key_eng. Double tapped again. And I here, since Windows 11 has x64-bit, then proceed to the second, double tapped, and it will show you the driver, double tapped. And from here, you would be able to see the driver. Click on open and click on the OK. Once you've set it here, you would be able to see your printers, then rename that into Canon LBP 6230dn. Once done renaming, click on next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Now once done, please click on next. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 6230dn printer driver in Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.